Welcome to this new morning. It's a chance to begin again. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably. Close your eyes if you like. Let go of yesterday. Today is a fresh start. We'll take a moment for ourselves, just 5 minutes, to find peace within and carry it through the day. As the sun rises, casting its gentle light over the landscape, we are reminded of the beauty of new beginnings. Each morning offers us a unique opportunity to reset, to start afresh, and to embrace the possibilities that lie ahead. In this serene moment, find a quiet space where you can be alone with your thoughts. Sit comfortably, allowing your body to relax and your mind to settle. If it feels right, close your eyes and take a deep breath. Let go of the worries and stresses of yesterday. Imagine them drifting away like leaves on a gentle stream. Today is a new day, a blank canvas waiting to be filled with your intentions and actions. We often rush through our days, caught up in the hustle and bustle, but now, let's take a few minutes just for ourselves. In these 5 minutes, we will focus on finding inner peace, a sense of calm that we can carry with us throughout the day. Breathe deeply, in and out, feeling the air fill your lungs and then release. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more centered, more grounded. This is your time, a precious gift to yourself. Embrace it fully, and let the tranquility of this moment infuse your entire being. As we move forward, let this peace guide us, helping us navigate the day with grace and ease. Feel your breath, the gentle rise and fall. Inhale slowly and deeply. Hold it for a moment. Exhale, releasing any tension. Breathe in calmness. Breathe out worries. With each breath, feel lighter, more awake and alive. Picture the sun rising. Golden light fills the sky. Feel its warmth on your skin. A new day is beginning. Let the sunlight fill you, washing away any darkness. Feel the energy of a fresh start, full of hope and possibility. Section 4. Embrace the day. Repeat after me. Today I choose joy. Today I am strong. Today I am grateful. Today I am enough. Believe these words. Let them resonate within you. You are capable of amazing things. Embrace the day with open arms. As the sun rises, bringing light to a new day, take a moment to breathe deeply and center yourself. Feel the warmth of the sun on your skin and let it fill you with energy and positivity. Today is a fresh start, a new opportunity to create the life you desire. Say it again, with conviction. Today, I choose joy. Let joy be your guiding light, illuminating your path and lifting your spirits. Today, I am strong. Feel the strength within you, ready to face any challenge that comes your way. Today, I am grateful. Acknowledge the blessings in your life, big and small, and let gratitude fill your heart. Today, I am enough. Know that you are worthy, just as you are, and that you have everything you need within you. Carry these affirmations with you throughout the day. Let them be a source of inspiration and motivation. Remember, you are capable of amazing things. Embrace the day with open arms, and let your positive energy radiate outwards, touching everyone you encounter. Today is your day. Make it extraordinary. Section 5. Carry the light. Carry this feeling with you. The peace, the warmth, the strength. Let it guide you through your day. Remember this moment. Whenever you need to find your center, you are a source of light. Shine brightly today. As you walk through the morning sun, feel its gentle rays embracing you, filling you with a sense of calm and tranquility. The morning sun shining through the trees is a reminder of the beauty and serenity that surrounds us. Take a moment to reflect by the peaceful lake and let the stillness of the water mirror the stillness within you. This feeling of peace, warmth, and strength is not just a fleeting moment. It is something you can carry with you throughout your day. Let it be your guide, your anchor, whenever you feel lost or overwhelmed. Remember this moment, this feeling, and let it bring you back to your center. You are a source of light. Your inner light has the power to illuminate not only your path, but also the paths of those around you. So shine brightly today. Let your light be a beacon of hope, love, and positivity. Embrace the day with an open heart and a radiant spirit. Carry the light within you and let it shine through everything you do.